Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what a post office money order is. A money order is essentially a prepaid certificate for a specific amount of money, offering a secure way to send funds without using cash or a personal check. It's particularly useful if you don't have a bank account or need to send money safely through the mail. You can conveniently purchase these reliable payment instruments at any United States post office, making them widely accessible for everyone. Purchasing a money order at the post office is straightforward. Simply visit any post office location and request a money order form. You'll need to provide the recipient's name and the exact amount you wish to send. Remember, you can only pay with cash, a debit card, or a traveler's check. Credit cards are not accepted. The maximum value for a single domestic money order is $1,000, and the service fee is usually less than $2. Money orders provide significant benefits, especially regarding security. Unlike sending cash, a money order is a prepaid instrument that can be tracked, giving you peace of mind. They are perfect for situations where a personal check isn't an option, such as paying rent, utility bills, or sending money to someone who doesn't have a bank account. The receipt you receive contains a unique tracking number, which is crucial for monitoring its delivery and payment status. Once purchased, tracking your money order is simple. Use the tracking number on your receipt to check its status online through the post office website. For the recipient, cashing it is also convenient. They can do so at any post office, most banks, or even participating grocery stores. Should your money order ever be lost or stolen, it's vital to keep your original receipt. This allows you to initiate an inquiry and potentially receive a refund for the amount.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.